In Antarctica, survival depends on staying together. One father stood between his chick and the deadly storm.
The baby penguin was too weak to survive alone.
The freezing storm grew stronger every minute.
But the father refused to stop moving. He was already running out of strength. One mistake could freeze the chick instantly.
Then the colony came together to survive.
The tiny chick finally found warmth. In the frozen wilderness, unity meant survival. After hours of fighting the storm, morning finally arrived. The chick had survived the impossible. A father's love kept hope alive through the storm. In Antarctica, every day is a fight to survive.
Would you survive a single night in this frozen world?